We went to the Gion Manju factory, which was founded in 1819, and we met a 77 years old gentleman called Hiyashi-san, and he was the 6th generation owner of this business. He'd been sat there for a long time, just rolling the mochi, doing exactly the same thing. But you could see that he took so much care in what he did, and he still loved it, even though it seemed quite a tedious job. Everybody worked in harmony together, and you could just see that they didn't really need to think a lot about what they were doing because they'd done it so many times. They knew exactly the best way to do it and the fastest way to do it. You could tell that they put so much care into every single mochi that they rolled. And this is something which I really noticed because they really took care in every single customer which came to the door, and they wanted every single product that they gave to each customer to be exactly the same and be as perfect as the next one, so that everybody could have sort of an amazing experience and sort of, I suppose, want to come back. When I come back to County Hall, I think I need to treat all of my products with the same care and attention and make sure that every single product is treated with the same respect and every single customer is treated with the same respect in relation to that. Because it's important that every single customer has the same special experience, because every single person matters. I found it so beautiful to see that, again, another family working together, and sort of it kind of reminds me of how I started when I was baking with my family, you know, that sort of love for it and why I started doing it.